Welcome to our channel. If you want to get free trials of premium services by bundling them with your utility bills like internet, mobile, or electricity, follow these step-by-step instructions to access these valuable offers. Step 1. Check your current utility provider's website or customer portal to see if they offer partnership bundles with streaming services, cybersecurity software, or cloud storage providers. Step 2. Log in to your utility account online and navigate to the Perks, Rewards, Benefits, or Bundles section, where promotional partnerships are typically featured. Step 3. Browse through available bundled offers that include free trials or discounted subscriptions to services like Disney+, Apple Music, Norton Security, Microsoft 365, or other premium platforms. Step 4. Select the bundle or perk that interests you and click Activate, Claim, or Learn More to see the specific terms and duration of the free trial included. Step 5. Verify your eligibility by confirming your account status. Some offers require you to be on specific utility plans or have been a customer for a minimum period. Step 6. Follow the activation instructions provided, which typically involve clicking a redemption link that takes you to the partnered services website with a pre-applied promotional code. Step 7. Create an account with the partnered service or log in if you already have one. Enter the promotional code if it wasn't automatically applied during the redirect from your utility portal. Step 8. Complete the registration process and start using the free trial immediately. Note when the trial expires and whether it continues at a discounted rate or regular price after the promotional period. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.